Hi guys, I am Inamul Haq and you are watching my YouTube channel Infomega. So this video is specially for NPU students. So in this video I will discuss about all the questions which you ask on a daily basis about Axiaong account activation and about binding the QQ and WeChat with account and about activation of account and also about the how to choose the courses. So just so now we will check how to activate the account and how to log in the account with different methods. So this is the link you can find in the file which which is provided by the NPU. So there is enter your username, mobile ID and email address and your password. So you can also log in using your QQ and WeChat. So here is the active your account. So the student who are like using this platform first time, so they will enter their student ID here and then their passport number here, and when they will log in using these things, then this page will open right away. Okay, so on this page I will translate. Okay, it's already translated. So if you already have a normal Account portal account, please use the new account. Okay, and the original password to log in directly, no need to activate again. Okay, so here you have to put your student ID, and where you can find the student ID, you can find the student ID in the last email, which is I will show you where you can find this. I think my alright. So here you can find the okay, this is the confirmation email from the where is this one, I think so. Yeah, this one here is the you can find your passport number, your student ID. So I will use this one, and you have to put your student ID here and then your passport number here and this verification code here. And when you will after putting all these information, next step you will come here on the authentication. I just forget what I did in authentication. I think you have to put your email address and confirm your email address on this step, and then you have to set the new password because the password when you will the present current password is your passport number. So now you have to change the password number and then complete your activation. After activation, so you can log into your account here. So now you can use your email address or password, your email address and password, your student ID and password, your phone number and password, and also enter your username. The four things: username, mobile, email and ID number. So there are four things you can use here, and only password which you set new password here. And you can also use your QQ and WeChat. So the first step I told you about the activation. Now I'll put my student ID here and my password, because okay, alright, so my account is open. So this is the first step. You can use your you can open your account using these details with your student ID and your password. So I can also open this account using my password and I will just log out this account and then log in again. Okay, just log out this account and will. Alright, so you made research. If you don't understand what is this, you just click right on your mouse and translate it to English. Okay, so log into the portal, log into the current system, like log into the portal again. Alright, so here I just like enter my student ID. Now I will enter my email address. Okay, here, so you can see like the first time I enter with my ID, now I enter with my email address, and also I can also enter with my cell phone and my username. So this is the first thing I told you about activation. The second thing I told you about with how many and how many details, what kind of details you can use and can log in your portal. Okay, so here is it's in Chinese, so the same, right click on your mouse and translate it into English. I will suggest everyone you must do this. Okay, click here and the new page will open. On this page you'll see many options. The first option is also in Chinese, so you have to like translate to English. Okay, the personal setting. Okay, I don't care about what is this, and just like federated login. Okay, I'll suggest everyone you should bind your WeChat or QQ with your account. Okay, like it can save your time and you don't need to like remember your password and ID every time. And like this is a WeChat. Okay, now I will log out my account again, and okay, I will log in again. So this time I will log into my account using my WeChat QR. Okay, here's my QR WeChat. I will use my cell phone. I will open my WeChat and I will just scan this one. Alright, okay, after scanning scanned successfully, I'll just confirm from my cell phone, agree, and my account will be login. This is very simple. So I'll suggest everyone you should add your WeChat or QQ to log in on your portal, and it's easier and it's safe, and I think no need to remember your password or your ID again and again. So just translate to English. So this is the option, click on this. Okay, right here, click on this here and this page will open. On the second here, federated login, so you must here this one, bind your WeChat, and I already bound my WeChat, and this one is like QQ, like you have to like bind now, and you can use like this one and this one. Okay, I don't need to like bind QQ because I don't have QQ. I just have WeChat, and I like bound the WeChat. And now this page is in Chinese. So I have just covered three things, like right until now I have covered about different options to log in your account, how to activate the first thing I covered, like how to activate your account. The second thing I covered, how to log into your account using different credentials, and the third thing I told you about how to bind your WeChat and QQ. And the last and final thing I'll talk about, just translate this page. Okay, on your main page you have to click this second option, graduate students. Alright, so when you will click this one, this new page will open. So on this page there are like these rows in the second rows, first row in the second row, teaching and training. You must click the first one. In the first one there are like other 5 options, so you must select the second option. In the second option you will see all the subjects of your major, and these are the research fields of your main content and research directions of your major, and these are the all subjects you can you can choose according to your research directions. All right, so I will go back to again and I'll tell you how to. This is this one is all about like courses, which courses you can study. And this option, when you will click this option, it will take you to the this page like this. Here is you can choose these courses are for all common courses, so they already selected for you. You can't deselect them because these are the compulsory subjects, and all these subjects are your elective courses, and you can choose any courses. I didn't choose yet, so here is common courses, basic theory courses, so at least 5 credits, so you have to select 5 credit from here. Professional basic course, and then professional courses. All right, so here you can choose the different courses here. Okay, and there are many people who are facing the issues that when this after selecting these courses, when they will save and submit, their courses didn't submit. So the solution is that you must translate back to the Chinese language. So, all right, here is you can change it to the Chinese language. Now you can also see in the the subject's name, so you must select select the subjects like this one. Okay, and then you come here. This one is save, and this one is submit. Okay, when you will save, all the subjects will be saved. When you will submit the subjects, all the subjects will come into your in the schedule, and your study plan. So your study plan will be complete after after submitting these courses. So this is very simple, and there is no there is no difficult thing. If you have any question about this, about how to activating your account, and how to bind WeChat, how to log in using different credential, how to select the courses, you can ask me directly, because I'm in the group, and hopefully you will understand everything. And I'm sure that you don't need to ask me any question after watching this video, but hope so. If you don't understand anything, and you want to ask me a question again, you can ask me. I won't mind. All right, okay. Hopefully you will like this video, and thank you so much for watching this video. Okay, bye.